Hello, my name is Kevin Coet. Today, I'll be talking about Alan Turing and the Internet. Who was Alan Turing? Well, Alan Turing was born on June 23rd, 1912, and he died at the age of 41 on June 7th, 1954. He was a computer scientist, a mathematician, and a cryptanalyst for the British Empire. One of the most important things he did during his life was decode the Enigma machine during World War II, and he made numerous advancements in computers and AI. During World War II, he worked for GSNSC, a British code-breaking organization in charge for decrypting Axis messages. Most of these messages were fleet movements and attack orders from Nazi Germany. He helped create the Bombay, a machine that would encrypt the German Enigma enciphered messages, which included orders for submarines and other ships. The Enigma machine is the one on the top middle, while the Bombay is the one on the far right. He also created the idea of the ban, a method of reducing the time needed to set up Bombays, which made decrypting messages faster because there is more online to do so. After the war, he created the design of stored programming computer, also known as the ACE. He based it off of the works of von Neumann, which came before Turing's design in 1946. He also came up with the proposed Turing test, named after him, in which he proposed a standard in which a computer or any machine could be intelligent. The idea is that if a human cannot tell a computer apart from another human through a text-based conversation, like a chatbot, then it will be determined intelligent. He also tried to create an early chess program that would be used to defeat human players, but unfortunately it was too powerful for the computers that they had during the time. And later in his life, he worked on morphogenesis. How did he influence modern technology? Modern technology in 2016 mainly revolves around computers, and such his work has really impacted the field. Without these designs for modern computers and coding, we wouldn't have the technology that we have now. How did he impact the internet? Even though he did not contribute directly to the internet, he had impacted it by creating predating computers that would have more power to make the internet a possibility. And he created the ACE, or an automatic coding machine, an electric machine that would tackle complex problems and run code. It would propose to have 25 kilobytes of memory and a speed of 1 megahertz. Unfortunately, it was completed after his death in 1954. The internet can only happen if there was a machine powerful enough to run it, and Alan Turing was one of the first to prioritize memory and run speed, which is important for running the internet. In conclusion, even though he did not make the internet, he helped pave the way for more powerful computers that would lead to the internet.